everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I'm at a impromptu car meet. I just didn't know if I'm going to shoot anything, but there are a couple of interesting cars, and let's see if I can talk to the boys. I did come up pretty late. There isn't much time to shoot, so let's see what I can do. It's probably going to be a very small video, so we're going to go from there. So this is a USD and not a JDM, which makes it more interesting. Everybody is on a JDM. That's like my GTSD without anything. You see the body lines. They're hidden because mine has roll, fold, and lines match with 30. It's not the GTR. This is missing a headlight and it's in slicks. Yeah. That says something. Maybe it's slicks. Meetup. I was really hoping to bring up this cover, unfortunately. I was too late and they had to do this. My kid is having fun with Chris Speedy's kit. They made friends. Exchanging leaves.
Oh no! There's room for me to scoot back there.
Yes, yes. So please, just came out with a paint job. Probably yesterday. Hadi, don't touch. Hadi, can't touch.
But it's a fast car.
Yeah, don't touch.
I said it, my leaf broke.
Yeah.
Look at the part. Part missing off the leaf.
I'm just gonna do a harness car. I'm gonna do like a mixed seat position with a removable steering wheel.
It's inside a car.
Yeah, that's gonna
I'm gonna have to go see him about this.
Yeah, no, I'll have to see it.
Indian props on.
How many events are there for
And then an eyesore for Richard.
The thing is, like a lot of tracks don't be like.
Yeah, because mans are mashing up their track.
I don't know how it's still driving it. So the guys are leaving. I came in pretty late. A couple of guys I wanted to do the videos just had to leave. Just that, but this will be just a very short video. This is the first meet, and I'm traveling with my kid, or I'm showing up to meets with my kid, so things will be a little different. And there will be a lot more meets coming up. This year I'm hoping to spend more time with the family, so yeah, hit the subscribe button and bell notification. A lot more shenanigans coming up.